Un verse par Srimad Bhagavatam, troisième chant, Trikanto, chapitre 9, verse 41.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Utena tapasagyage Dane yoga samadhina Radhan Nishkeya Mat Pritis Tatvin Matam.
Par conséquent, l'ultime fin de toutes les actions,
the ultimate end of all the action,
et les réservoirs, de faire des austérités, des sacrifices, de pratiquer la Sanda Yoga et de s'absorber profondément dans le Brahman sans forme, devrait amener le pratiquant à agir par amour pour moi, le suprême. C'est le verdict final des âmes réalisées. Commentaire. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur
quote the Lord.
Aucun acte n'est supérieur à celui qui est accompli pour me satisfaire.
None of these results are superior to that which is performed to please me. Whatever results one may achieve by performing pious acts such as austerity, charity, meditation, and yoga, one cannot obtain their full benefit unless they perform for my pleasure. Those who know the truth perform pious acts for my contentment. They desire only to please me. They do not desire to make me the object of their pleasure. Thus I remain pleased with those who perform acts of devotion in the manner of virtue. Through this I grant them liberation.
Through this I accord them the liberation. The one who is accomplishing the devotional service.
Namo Vishnu Padayam Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamine Namaste Sarasvati Devi Kaulavani Pracharine Nirveshisha Sunyavadi Prakshatjadishakarine Vanchakalpatarobhyacha Kripa Sindhu Bhyaevacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shiva Sadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Plus l'humilité vient nous chercher,
The more the humility comes to us,
et moins nous nous sentons seuls.
less we'll feel alone, because
Le monde de Vraj
the place of Raj
est le symbole de l'humilité.
it is a symbol of humility.
Pourquoi?
Why?
Parce que le halo de Shilada
Because the halo of Shilada,
est Sharanagati.
it is Sharanagati.
Et le point crucial du Sharanagati,
And the crucial point of
c'est
Sharanagati,
l'amour.
it It is a surrender.
L'humilité, ça veut dire l'abandon.
Humility means surrender, to depend.
Celle qui contrôle Krishna,
The one she is controlling Krishna,
elle dépend
she depends
de ses habits.
of the friend, of the servant, of her servant.
Donc,
So,
sans humilité,
without humility,
on ne peut pas être aidé.
we cannot be helped.
On ne peut pas voir,
We cannot see,
on ne peut pas sentir,
we cannot smell,
on ne peut pas goûter,
we cannot taste,
on ne peut pas toucher ce monde.
we cannot touch this world.
Ce n'est pas possible.
It's not possible.
Et naturellement,
So
ce
naturally,
monde matériel
this
qui est
material
dur
world is very hard.
et qui nous fait souffrir.
It makes us suffering
Parce que dans cette disposition, en tant qu'âme conditionnée,
because in this
on peut pas
disposition of
connaître
like
l'amour.
conditional soul, we cannot feel love,
C'est
know
pour ça qu'on
the
est en
love.
colère, c'est pour ça qu'on n'est pas bien.
That's why we are hungry. We are
On
not
a beau
feeling
être
good.
marié,
We can
on a
have
beau renoncer.
be a couple or
Parce que
renounce.
renoncer, c'est pour avoir le bonheur.
Because
Se marier, c'est pour avoir le bonheur.
Renounce is to get happiness, and to get married, it's good to get happiness. We are searching, but we are not satisfied. That's why we are not
Sans ça, ça
good.
réglerait tous les problèmes.
Otherwise,
On renonce,
it will free all the problem. We renounce,
plus de problème.
no problem, and we get married, no problem. But it's not the case,
Parce qu'en fait,
because in fact,
parce qu'on n'a pas de contact avec ce monde de l'amour, on cherche une solution par rapport à notre conscience.
because
C'est normal.
we are searching for love according
Parce
to our
que
consciousness.
à la vie passée, on a une conscience.
Because due to our previous life,
Et à travers cette conscience,
through this
on va chercher
consciousness,
un moyen
we want to find
de se libérer de
a
trouver le
way
bonheur.
to liberate ourselves, to find happiness.
Et quand on accepte une situation,
When we accept a situation that it doesn't satisfy us,
alors
so
c'est une question d'échec.
so it's kind of
Et quel est le
échec,
moyen pour dépasser
and
cet
how
échec?
we can go
C'est la
against
connaissance
this fall down
et l'association des situations.
is the knowledge and the association of the sadhu.
Pourquoi?
Why?
Parce que la connaissance,
This
elle
knowledge
vient de Krishna.
is coming from Krishna.
Elle vient des associés de Krishna qui sont parfaits.
She is coming for the associate of Krishna, so she is perfect. They know this world and they
Et lorsqu'ils
they
nous décrivent,
share
on a
this
ce
knowledge
lien.
of the world. And when they describe this world,
Et à ce moment-là,
we
il y a
are
un
speaking of
élément
this
dans
world.
notre cœur qui vient, c'est le désir.
and there are something coming in the heart, the desire.
À l'acquisition de notre conscience matérielle,
It's
qui
not
sont
coming from a
finalement des
consciousness of consciousness
On
material.
va réaliser,
We
à travers
realize
la connaissance,
through the knowledge
que à moins qu'on ait un désir spirituel,
that unless we have a spiritual desire, we cannot go across
et à ce moment-là,
this place.
on désire avoir une forme
And
spirituelle.
at that time, we want to have a spiritual form and a relationship with Radha and
Et
Krishna.
selon notre adhikar,
And through Adhikar, our qualification, in turn, to our reality,
une sorte de divertissement
we
spirituel,
will be
où on va
attracted
être
to one kind of
mis en relation
uh,
avec
pastime,
un maître
and will be
spirituel qui est dans la
in
rasa.
the connection with a spiritual master in the rasa, special rasa, and we can cultivate this desire spiritual.
Il n'est pas
And
en
this
contradiction
desire,
avec notre situation.
it is not in contradiction with our situation.
Parce qu'en fait, si on
Because in
regarde,
fact, if we see,
on peut avoir un désir qui apparaît en étant dans la même situation.
we can have a desire,
Comment notre conscience
we appear
s'éveille
even
différemment
in the
et
situation
accepte
that we are.
l'environnement avec une vision
We just
différente.
accept the place, the environment with
Et c'est pas- on
a
a
different
forcément
conception.
besoin de renoncer
It-
pour que le désir se manifeste.
It's not necessary
Quand
that
le
we have to
désir se
renounce
manifeste, il
to
donne
get the
simplement
desire.
une vision différente et des
Only when
relations différentes.
the desire comes, he gets some different
Comment?
relationship. Take an example.
Quand on était enfant,
When we were
on
children,
était la même personne.
we have the same. We was the same person.
On n'a pas appris. Hein, on a juste évolué.
We just
On a
evolve.
une conscience qui a évolué.
Consciousness
qui nous a fait voir
is
les choses différentes.
different, and we see things
Par
differently.
exemple,
For example,
quand on est tout gamin, on rentre dans le froid, dans le courant. Ah, il n'y a pas de problème. Quand on est vieux, c'est plus difficile.
so when we
La
are
perception,
children,
elle va être différente.
the perception it will be different.
Même de la même manière,
So in the same way,
quand on évolue,
when we
on
evolve,
passe d'être un enfant,
we
les
becoming
désirs
to
apparaissent.
be a children.
hein,
And
donc avec les
some
désirs,
desire
naturellement, un
come.
environnement,
and a place, circumstance change. When we are old, we have grandchildren. It is a view of material view. So our consciousness evolves and we accept the environment. And we accept this through our consciousness. And when the spiritual desire comes, it's not that we separate. We just accept the things with a different consciousness. Like a yogi, he will practice the Astanga Yoga to realize it is Brahman. If he associates with a sadhu, like a pure devotee, he will accomplish the Astanga Yoga, but with the desire to be an associate of the Lord. And gradually he will change the name of the Lord, and he will accomplish the service, devotional service. So all the activity that we do in the immature state of spiritual life, it can be accomplished in the mature state of spiritual life. We have all to sleep, we have to eat, we have to work. We don't have choose to accomplish some different activity in this world. That's why we cannot live. It is a law. We can do for ourselves, or we can do for Krishna. And when we are doing for Krishna, what it gives, it makes the desire. Because Krishna, it means that he is devotee. Because Krishna is never separate from his devotee. He is never separate from his devotional service. So, as soon as we accept Krishna, we accept his devotee, and we become engaged in the devotional service. If our consciousness is not so much evolved from a previous life, it's not grave. Simply, when we engage ourselves in the devotional service, the sense purifies, the mind purifies, the intelligence purifies, the false ego also purifies. And gradually, we accept to become a devotee. What is a devotee? It is someone that he cannot associate only with Krishna, because in the place of love, everyone loves Krishna. Krishna is in center. What is the life of the devotee? It's just to live with Krishna. It's not difficult. When we work, we are with Krishna. When we are with people, we serve Krishna. When we cook for Krishna. It's not difficult. We do exactly the same things, but only different. We do for him.
Un matérialiste fait la même chose, mais il le fait pour lui-même. Un dévot, il le fait pour Krishna.
A materialist is doing things for himself, and the devotee is doing for Krishna. This is the only difference. So, it is a proof when the spiritual desire comes. It's not that we reject the environment, but we accept with a different consciousness. In the same way, when we as a children, we get inside a different vision to a desire. Like a children, he don't have a lust, he will just play. And as soon as the lust comes, he wants more beautiful, and the girl will dress in a certain way, because the principle of attract. And when we meet someone, we have a desire to build a family, and the family have children, we become old, etc. So they are all evolutions through the desire. But when we are devotee, and this desire comes, and we evolve differently through our environment, because we cannot see the same things. Like when we see the people who are around us, we see them through the relation with Krishna. And naturally, what is not in relation with Krishna, and he didn't give us a satisfaction, will not be attracted. That is why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained, recognize a devotee that the devotee he rejects the bad association. In the beginning, it can be fanatic when you don't have the desire. It's simply like we just hear and we accept a devotional dress, just like croyance, duty. So we hear. I remember myself when I was living in another temple in the 80s. All the people was living outside the temple. It was like a demon. It was like Asura. It become like we are kind of people. We see all the demons everywhere, but there's some kind of mercy because we have to save them. But why this vision come? Because the desire, spiritual desire in the heart didn't appear. Because when the spiritual desire come and the true nature came, we don't see demon Asura, we see devotee everywhere. It's different. We don't judge people. We don't hate them. Why we don't like them? For example, if we want to smoke, before we smoke marijuana and we see someone smoking marijuana, we'll see them like, oh, they are devotees, they are a devotee. If we are lost in heart, we'll see a beautiful girl who just go like walking like this, then we'll say, oh, she's a demon, she's a demon. It's a kind of things that we see the things, the demon, the people, because we don't have the capacity to see love to this. Because if we see, then we fall down. So we are obliged to see fault to stay in our faith. Why you think that all the religions they say you can find the truth only in her part, not in other, because it's this desire, the desire to a true reality didn't appear yet. That's why you cannot see each other. But if someone have this true identity, he don't have this consciousness. He can see everywhere like a devotee. But we have to accept also and to understand. In a community, everyone has some problem. And we have to understand with our practice that it is normal that everyone has some problem, difficulty. But the difference, the difficulty of the other, it is a good thing for us because we can develop good quality through this. A materialist, even it's not possible. We need a spiritual conception to allow to the environment that it's not because we want to be the center of everything. Like this, we can progress. When we become a devotee, we are not the center of everything. Krishna is the center of everything. We can accept that the bad word or the bad looking, it is a mercy. It is why the things of the devotee, it is he sees Krishna everywhere and he sees the mercy of Krishna everywhere. For example, I was reading this morning a little bit the books of Srila Prabhupada. He was speaking about Vidura. And we say like Vidura, he take birth with a servant with Vyasadeva. Because the two other wives, they don't want to unite. Janadvi will start again his Mahabharata, like to watch the beautiful books of Mahabharata. So, Vidura, he have a special affection for Pandava because everyone loves the Pandava because they are devotee of Lord. Only the demon don't like the Pandava. But Duryodhana,
C'était une Amsha Kali.
It was Amsha of Kali, the age of Kali. He hates the Pandava. And Dhritarashtra, so many people, they give the conseil. Because he was attached to Duryodhana, he cannot do the advice that was giving to separate from Duryodhana. But when he kicked out Vidura from the palace, Vidura have some affection with the family, but he sees this like a mercy of Krishna. He didn't fight with the environment. He see that it was a mercy of Krishna and he left. And to this, he go in pilgrimage. So, the principle of the devotee, we have always to understand that Krishna is in all things. He is in all the atom in the form of Paramatma. It is explained that even leaves cannot move with the sanction of Paramatma. So, when we receive this spiritual desire, we receive this vision. And it is there we can progress. Because if we don't receive this spiritual desire and we have some material desire, the material desire cannot allow us to see Krishna everywhere. Because we don't have the desire, then to this frustration you have the hungry and lose of the knowledge. So cultivate the material desire means ignorance, and we cannot receive this spiritual desire. That is why the saints, they explain to us how to act to purify our consciousness. And through this association with the sadhu, to receive this desire in the heart. And when the desire comes, we become fixed and we just find the happiness to serve Krishna. And the frustration came because we cannot serve him. It is the opposite. And if Krishna he hide himself, we cry. Everything becomes inverse. But we can say, but me I practice, but I don't have yet this desire. The things will come. Like something to say that, tell me who you associate, I will tell you who you are. And the Upanishads, they say, like the living being, he reflects the quality and the bad habits with who he is associated. So it is a gradual principle. If we look how we are in 10 years ago, or 20 years ago, or 30 years, or 40 years ago, we was not the same. There's some evolution. Even if we think that we don't progress, there is progress. It's not possible. Because if we don't progress, we cannot stay. Because finally, more we'll serve Krishna, and more we'll have to have some sacrifice. And the sacrifice, it is Sharanagati. And we sacrifice our life, even sometimes if there are some difficulty, and sometimes fall down. But what it is means, if we continue, it means that we're already part of the world of Krishna. How can it be possible to act in the circumstance that all the people are living in the material world? All the people are influenced with the Mahamaya. What it means? It means I don't want to serve Krishna.
Je veux juste me servir.
I just want to serve me, to do things for my pleasure.
C'est ça.
It is only this.
Mais
but
lorsqu'on est
when
sous l'influence de
are
l'énergie interne,
with the influence of the internal energy,
à ce moment-là,
at that time,
on ne peut plus être comme les autres.
we cannot be like the other.
Si vous n'étiez pas des dévots,
If we are not the devotee,
si Krishna ne vous avait pas déjà accepté,
if Krishna didn't yet accept you,
vous ne pourriez pas rester ici.
you cannot stay here.
C'est impossible.
It's impossible.
Impossible.
It's impossible.
C'est parce que vous faites déjà partie du monde de Krishna.
Because it means that you're already part of the world of Krishna, like you stay by
Même
yourself.
si c'est dur
Even if it is difficult
de se lever le matin,
to wake up in the
de
morning,
faire des services.
to do some service,
Pourquoi vous ne partez pas?
why you don't leave?
C'est pas parce que vous aimez votre femme,
It's not because you
vous
love
aimez votre mari.
your
Ça peut pas être
husband
possible.
or you love your wife. It cannot be only this.
C'est pas possible.
It's not possible.
Parce que quand on renonce à tout, pour un homme ou pour une femme, à un moment, on dit non, je veux changer de vie.
Because when we renounce of everything for our wife or woman,
Si vous restez-
at one point we say, oh no, I don't want anymore, I want to leave. If you stay, it means that Krishna maintain you by yourself. It can be possible.
C'est impossible
It's not possible
de ne pas être illusionné par le monde matériel.
to not be illusionary for material world and to return in sense gratification unless
On est protégé.
if we are protected.
C'est pourquoi
That is
on
why
devrait penser à tout ça.
we have to think about all this. Why I'm here?
Je suis le pire.
I am the worst.
Quelle qualité j'ai?
I don't have any quality.
J'ai rien.
I have nothing.
Mais d'où vient cette miséricorde de Krishna?
But where comes this mercy of Krishna? It comes from his devotee.
Aujourd'hui, on est tous là
Here we are all together
par la grâce de Prabhupada.
by the grace of Srila Prabhupada.
Pour te demander.
Haribol.